boys. Yo, my bad. All right, my bad. I know this shit took a while. My bad. I got caught up in something, chat. I got caught up in something. It was not my intention to make y'all wait for this long. I agree. This shit has been way too I crossed the line today. I crossed the line. But we're here. Nonetheless, we're here. Whatever happened, happened. We're here now. Shit, I feel kind of bad. Chat. Where's Trading View? Where's Trading View? It's not the right one. There's Trading View. Hello boys, welcome back to the stream. Another day, another dollar here at QTC Factory. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back. Bardo's too busy for us now. No, I'm really not. I just had to do some shit. But we're here now. Nonetheless. What a nonsense theme. I'm unsubscribing you. See you, bro. Good morning. How about a big play today? And if no big play, maybe your wisdom rubs off on all of us. Let's see. Hopefully we get some plays. We prefer plays. Wisdom is good, but we prefer plays. We have this play right now on UJ, chat. So I'm waiting for us to come back up on UJ to 143.165 right here. And then we can take a sell off of that area right there. Like so. Boom. Something like that. But again, we have to wait until UJ comes up. Like so. Let's see, gold. Let me do a gold analysis real quick. I'm not talking to UJ. What? Inibado real trader, huh? What's up, Worth Gaming? What's up, China? What's up, Varun? View on NAS 100. I don't trade NAS 100, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't trade NAS 100. Gold looks ready to push. It does. All right, let's. Ooh, we did close above. All right, let me draw some zones on gold here. So first and foremost, we have a really strong area right now where we're currently tapping. Right here. Right here, as you guys see, we're currently tapping into this decision area on gold. So, dude, sells on gold do not look bad at all. On balance with all chat, sells on gold do not look bad at all. We are tapping into a heavy decision area, as you guys see. Every single time. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna attempt some sells on gold. I'm gonna look for a 1 minute break of structure, and then I'm gonna attempt some sells on gold. The reason I'm gonna do that is because we're tapping into the decision here on the 4 hour. So as you guys see, look at the 4 hour right here, and look at the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour because all time frames are pretty much telling the same story. If you look at the 1 hour, guys, we are clearly seeing that each time we tap this area, we see a big rejection. Boom, 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 boom. Big rejection or big pump. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm gonna actually attempt some sells on gold here very soon off of this decision area. I just have to see some sort of rejection, which we did see now, but I do think gold is gonna come down here pretty heavily off of this decision area. Hopefully we don't miss out on the let's see, let's wait for a 5 closure below here and we'll enter some sells. The 4 hour looked really good for the flip. I couldn't catch the flip, unfortunately, but the 4 hour looks. So I'm gonna wait for this. I'm waiting for the 5 minute to break structure. So I'm gonna wait for the 5 minute to close below 3,351.9. Close below here, and then we're gonna enter sells. Stop loss here. Take profit down here, at this void, because we also have a void right here, chat, we're going to tap into. So that's when I'm going to wait for, chat. And those are the positions. That's the position I'm going to take today. Looking real nice, real nice, real nice. The 200k account is ready. Made a top week first 4 hour. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. All right, let's see now, boys. Should get a pretty nice play here on gold. We just need the 5 minute to break structure. We just need the 5 minute to close below here. On AUD, nothing going on right now. No compensation place. You did have a compensation place. Oh, this wasn't a valid compensation place. You had an imbalance below. Let's see. GU, you had a comp right here. So you had a comp at 8 a.m. today, down here. And you also had a comp, well, not a comp, but you had a potential comp here that didn't play out because you just pushed immediately. UJ, you are currently loading up for a comp on UJ, which I'm going to take. Also, who did I tell? Was it on stream yesterday? I made some analysis yesterday where I said they were gonna push on UJ from this area, and look at that, bro. Insane. So yeah, I think that analysis was a next level funded stream. But hey, it's Friday, boys. Dude, if we can end Friday on a good note, that'd be fire. If we can end Friday on a good note, that'd be absolutely fucking insane. So we can have a good weekend and then come back on Monday with a fresh mind. All right. Does Omar or Adam enter straight as the Nowick candle shows? I don't know. You'll have to ask them. I don't think Omar enters straight. I think Omar enters straight off with Nowick if it comes very close to closing without a wick, and then it closes. Omar enters immediately. I think you can ask him in Discord. I'm not 100%. Why is my screen turned off? What the fuck happened? I don't know what happened to the screen. Hey Bard, I bought a fund account from LFF today, but then I realized US clients aren't accepted yet. Oh, try using a VPN, bro. I would say use a VPN. That's the only way I know that you can get through that. Cause yeah, dude, prop firms are hard. Like Forex prop firms are hard in the US. I don't know why they're super regulated. So unfortunately, we haven't gotten accepted in the US yet. We will soon though. But yeah, so far, I'd say right now, just use a VPN, bro. I think that's the best, the only way to go about it. If not, if you try using a VPN, you can't hack it. We'll get your refund. Have you seen on YouTube when you're overqualified for your job? No, I haven't. What is it about? Oh, with the with a red balloon. Yeah, yeah, I sent the link in chat. That's mad funny. Yo, he's going crazy. He's going crazy over a fucking children's song. Yo, somebody stop this guy. Yo, that's the funniest shit I've seen in a while. And the costume makes it so funny. And it's just going crazy. Mad funny. He did not have to do all that. I thought you left streaming. No, I never said I was gonna leave streaming. I said I was gonna take a break, and I did. I didn't stream for like 1.5, 2 months to work on other things. But I mean, now I got some more free time because the next level fund is launched and the playbook is done and the boot camp is out. So now I've got a little more time on my hands, and I thought, why not stream? All right, boys, we got another. Oof, let's see. Hopefully, we can close soon on the 5, because I really want to take sales on gold, chat. I'm going to really want to take sales on gold. $99 red balloons. Are you looking for price to break support on 5 minutes for entry? Yes, exactly. That's what I'm looking for. Because we tapped into decision area, so I just need to see a confirmation of that decision area, and that's gonna be my entry. Sales on gold, be careful, it's Friday. I know, but it looks way too good. It looks way too good, and we tapped into the decision area, and we have imbalances below, so I'm gonna lie, it looks way too good. But again, yeah, I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna wait for a confirmation, for sure. Please type in the indicator using XAU wickless candles. So, yeah, somebody said it in chat already. You can see it here. XAU with Z instead of an S, and then wickless candles. Come on, UJ. We just need you to start pushing. AUD is... Yeah, no, we'll have to wait for this gold position, chat. I'm gonna wait for this gold position. If we fail to break the highs, chat, if we fail to break these highs and start coming down and closing below here, I'm easy to... Those are easy sells down to this void right here. The 1 minute losing volume as well. The 5 minute is going to create a head and shoulders, as you guys see. So if the 5 minute comes down here, you're going to create this head and shoulders right here. And then we'll enter that. We got a question earlier. Let's see. UJ missed my TP by 0.01 pip and went to BE. How do I not let it ruin my mentality? So the reason it ruins your mentality, first of all, is because you think you need to win. You think winning, or you think hitting TP is some sort of a reflection of that you've done well, which is not true. The only thing that should determine if you did well in the market is if you follow the strategy. So then you ask yourself, okay, Did I follow my strategy? Did I put TP where my strategy tells me to put TP? Did I put stop loss where my strategy tells me to put stop loss? And did I enter correctly? If I did those 3 things according to my plan, according to my strategy, and I didn't hit TP but I hit break even, that's a win, right? If I did those things, that's a win. So yeah, I mean, you will sometimes it will come 0.01 pip to TP, close to TP, and then go back to break even. But then other times it will come 0.01 pip close to stop loss, and then it will return. So you got both sides, right? So it doesn't really matter, you know, as long as you follow your strategy and it's back tested and you know that it's profitable over a long period of time, it will be an upwards trajectory and the equity curve will be positive. But that's only if you follow the strategy and if you realize that following the strategy is the only thing that's going to consider you a winner in trading. So yeah, that's what I would say, bro. So change the way you think about wins and losses. A win is only if you follow your strategy. All right, boys. Shit. The 5 minutes. Oh, no, I fucking knew it, chat. This shit is gonna dump, right? And we're not gonna get an entry. Yeah. That's what I thought, chat. That is what I thought. Probably gonna dump all the way to here. And we're not gonna get an entry, chat. Come on, 1 minute. Come on, 1 minute, just retest so we can get an entry. Yeah. All right, boys, that's good. That's good. The 5 minute grab liquidity and flipped. That's really good. That means that if we close below, this is really good, bro. Because if this was a fake out and we're just gonna push up, that means that we're gonna push up now and we're not gonna get an entry. But if we close below, that means that it wasn't a liquidity grab, but price actually wanted to come down. So let's hope the 5 closes here in 2 minutes. Let's hope it breaks structure, and once it breaks structure, we can enter a sell. Okay, I think that's good. That's really good because we missed the fake out. Let's see now, boys. Lose control. Okay. Okay, we might get an entry here, chat. We might get an entry. One minute looks good for the downtrend. Respect to the downtrend. It's not looking too bad here, chat. 20 seconds. Potentially we'll get an entry in 20 seconds, boys. All right, that's my entry, chat. Right off that closure. Stop loss will be up at those highs. Take profit will be at this area right here. All right, now we wait. Got a bad entry, I'd say. Yeah, I got a pretty bad entry, chat, I ain't gonna lie. Got a pretty bad entry. All right, currently up around 40 pips. Not too bad. We'll let this run. Hopefully the 5 closes with no top wick. If the 5 can close with no top wick, that'd be great. If we break structure on the 15, that'll be great as well. But I think we're tapping into, we're going to at least break these lows and grab liquidity in this area right here. And once we do that, I'll move stop loss or break even. All right, 1 minute, continue the trend and close below. Perfect. 1 minute, great closure on the 1 minute. Close below all these lows right here while also breaking the trend. Again, you'll likely see a retest at entry, so there's no worries on that. As long as the 5 closes with no top wick, then there'll be a compensation play on the 5 to the downside. So then we'll be good. No worries, no worries. We're in this, boys. We're in this, boys. I low-key have to go take a shit, I ain't gonna lie, but I'm gonna wait for this 5 to close. See if it closes good or not. Alright, we got a 15-minute and a 30-minute closure. One-minute retesting. If we see the 1-minute break of structure to the upside, we'll look to close the position. Five-minute flip. Just creating that top wick. think my entry was a bit lower. My entry was like there. All right, that's the New York Open chat. New York just opened. Let's see now. That's a new 15 opening. Should fill the wick down. New 5 opening as well. New 30 opening. 30 closed bearish. Did respect this low though, which is not ideal. But once the 30 fills the wick, we should be good. Very indecisive candle. Not sure what the 1 minute wants to do here, but all right, red closure on the 1 minute. Should continue the trend. Let's see if we can break these lows. That'd be ideal. All right, almost at the lows, guys. Let's see if we can break the lows. All right, broke the lows. Perfect. Shouldn't break the lows twice and reject. All right, very good 1 minute closure. All right, if we come up and re-break the lows, then I'll move stop loss break even, because again, we still have one more chance to come up at break even and retest before coming down. But if we come up, I see some green candles on the 1 minute and then I see a re-break of the lows, we'll move stop loss or break even, because then we should be safe. Also, 5 minute is closing in 1 minute, so see if we can get a nice 5 minute closure. I think price is looking to tap this imbalance right here, and once it does that, we're out to take profit. All right, currently up 1K. All right, again, this is a playbook play, straight off the Norwick playbook. Those, you guys know, those are the only entries I take. At this point, I shouldn't even have to explain that it's a playbook entry. Okay, it looks like it wants to push heavy here, or dump heavy. So not bad, not bad. Oh my days. High volume. The 5 minute is closing. Very good. Very good 5 minute closure. Shouldn't see us break the highs here. Should not see us break the highs. Alright, new 5 opened. That's a beautiful 5-minute candle. Let's just open right there. Obviously, it's going to flip. 3349.3349. Got a pretty bad entry, 3349.8. That's my entry. Got quite a bad entry, chat. Dumping here. Let's see. Once we break these lows, that might be a liquidity grab. All right, boys. All right, I'm gonna close full here, boys. Just close full. We're tapped into that area and we saw a rejection, so I don't want to mess around with that. All right, that's my position, boys. We caught a nice 120 pips. 120 pips. I made a quick 1.7k, so that's around 2% on my, or 1% on my account, my 200k account. Yeah, that's a nice Friday, boys. Beautiful catch. I mean, nothing out of the ordinary. You guys know I do this shit. It's just the power of the no wick playbook. If you guys still on the fence about getting this playbook, I mean, what else can I do except show it in front of your eyes? But yeah, beautiful position. That's how we fucking do it. All right, I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. I'll be back in like a sec. We're not done trading today, chat. We got still got more trades coming. Don't worry. All right, I'll be right back. Oh my days, chat. You know, the market dumped, so you know I had to dump as well. Look at that perfect exit, man. What did I tell you guys? Price was gonna come down, tap this void. As soon as it tapped the void, we exited. Because as soon as I saw the rejection, as soon as I saw the reaction off of this level, I was like, yeah, nah. Let me secure the profits. But yeah, beautiful trade, boys. Beautiful trade. Well done, everybody. Let's see if we can catch anything else today. How is UJ comp? UJ comp is looking nice, but you're not even close to getting it, guys. So I don't know why y'all typing it like we're not close to getting it. We have to move another 40 pips. So relax. Go get a coffee. Go get a drink. We already made some money today. I made 1.7k, 1.6k. So relax, guys. We're good. Let's see. Gold is. Look at that daily tap, chat. Gold is probably gonna like. I see gold coming down much further than this, even. For sure, for sure. Like I still see gold coming down, chat. I still see gold coming down a lot. Now I just retested. That was that high. I just retested the entry, but I still see gold like dumping further. Cause look at that daily tap. Look at that daily tap and rejection. Perfectly into the zone, which you've seen in the past happen all the time. And every time you tap that area, you reject by at least like 600 pips. So now if you're gonna see that, you're gonna see this shit dump even more, guys. For sure. So maybe we can get some more sells on gold. Let's see if we can get a no-wick play on the 30. We'll get another sell. Like, no worries, bro. I can take as many sells as I need to. If I see another play for my playbook, I'll enter, of course. Center up there. Boom, ba, bow. Uh, 3280 next level, of course. 3280. Yeah, exactly. I have that marked up as well. This level right here. Agreed, bro. Agreed. Or, I mean, the next real level is down here. And you have that range. Between that, you have that range as well. But for a 20k account, how can I know how much percent I need to pass and I can't access dashboard to see all? You can access dashboard, of course, and how much percentage you need to pass. That depends on which phase you're on and what phase, how many phases you bought the account. So. What's my password for, bro? I'm telling you again. Go to their Discord, the next level funded Discord, and ask there. Like, I can go on my email and show you, but it's better if you go to the next level funded Discord and you ask there. They will answer you immediately. That's the best way to do it, bro. Because, like, that's directly from the source. No one responds. Of course, just open a ticket or ask in main chat. They'll respond for sure. Tag one of the Evans or anyone, and they'll respond. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. All right, boys. So what's going on gold now? Let's see. Again, still expecting bearish price action on gold. If gold breaks 33.42 on the 5-minute, will it not fill that wick? 33.42 on 5-minute. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Like I said, I still believe gold is coming down. So now we take comps on the 1-minute. When did this happen? We've never taken comps on the 1-minute. This is not a 1-minute compensation play. This is a play off a decision area on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. And we just use the 1 minute to enter, to get an entry. So no, it's not a 1-minute comp. It's a decision position. All right, let's see if UJ can come up. Nope. Looks like it might take some time here for UJ to come up. GU also not really doing anything. Damn, I have had 1, 2, 3. I've had 3 break-even trades this week, chat. Oh my days, that's a lot, bro. I've had 3 break-even trades this week. Crazy. All right, there we go. That's the closure. Look at that. Yeah, pretty straightforward price action here, guys. Pretty straightforward price action. Gold is dumping, so UJ should start coming up towards that comp. We're probably gonna, hopefully we get it today. Well, W, thanks, man. No worries, bro. Got y'all. I got y'all. Well done, very nice trade. Thank you, thank you, thank you. From Kenya, thanks for that trade. I got you, bro. Don't worry. Got you guys. Yo, this is what we do, boys. I mean, this is what we do every day on stream. Go on then. Go on then, gold. Do something. I lose control when you're not next to me. When you're not next to me. The 1 hour has already opened. All right. Let's see any other. Come on. Oh, UJ is actually coming up, guys. Let's see. We might get this UJ position. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we might get this UJ position, guys. All right, USD JPY is slowly moving up towards our entry. Not bad. You should have some music in the background. The silence kills. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I just realized the stream might get a little boring today. Yeah, because the thing is, chat, I'm currently doing something else in the background, but yeah, I can put on some background music. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. That's a great idea, actually. If you take UJ, where is your stop loss be? Up here. Up here. What does daily limit mean? Daily limit means the most amount of money you can lose in one day, one single day, one single 24-hour window. All right. Hopefully, dude, hopefully the stream doesn't get shut down. I really hope stream doesn't get shut down. Because that can happen if we have music, but let's pray this time that doesn't happen. Alright, I guess we're not gonna get that UJ play. God damn it, chat. God damn it. New 15 just opened though. Let's see if we get a no wick on any position. Nope. No wicks. Ooh. Gold. Nope, that's not a no wick in gold. If this was a 30-minute or 1 hour, I'd probably take sells off of this flip. For sure. For sure. Bar, do you use Spotify? Yes, I do use Spotify. I share it though. Bro, pass us playlist in Discord. This is not for Spotify. This current playlist is just YouTube. This is a YouTube playlist.
Yesterday, you country was nice and filthy. Today is filthy. That's the only way, Gary, I can be. At night falls a chance you can hear. At dawn.
Do you guys remember this? You used to listen to this shit like back in the day. Do you guys remember the first, not the first streams, but like streams, like the streams in during what, last year this time, like last year April, last year February, we used to listen to this shit. Do you guys remember that? There's that Friday push. This might, let's see if this breaks the highs. Bro, any motivation for losing streak? There's no real motivation you need. I mean, the motivation in trading is to follow your strategy. That's the motivation. So you need motivation towards that. Nothing else. Like if you're in a losing streak, bro, all I can do is motivate you to start thinking logically and follow your strategy. That's the truth. Like any other motivation is like, oh bro, you can get through this. Like that's bullshit. The reality is you need motivation to follow your strategy. You need discipline. You don't need motivation, you need discipline. And the discipline to follow your strategy and to follow your playbook is not take stupid trades. If you don't have a strategy, well, find a good strategy. Find an objective strategy. If you haven't got an objective strategy, you can always get the playbook. You can watch the bootcamp that I've dropped on my YouTube. But at the end of the day, it's a discipline of following your strategy and your playbook that's going to make the difference. Nothing else in trading. Alright boys, everything is pumping. Don't seem this huge position, we're not going to get this huge position. Everything else, it seems to be just moving weirdly. It's Friday, so we caught one dub on Friday. We caught 120 pips today. I made a quick 1.7k. Hopefully you guys made some money as well. But I'm gonna end stream here, boys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Beautiful week, great way to end the week. Again, if you guys want a next level funded account, link in bio for that. Use code capital B capital D 35 for 35% off any account you choose. The 20 for 20 is also live, so you can get a 20k account for $20 at next level funded. Also, don't forget to get the playbook, my playbook, where you can learn all these plays that I take and take them yourself and learn my strategy. So playbook, link in bio. If you guys want signals, so if you guys want to enter and just copy my trades without needing to watch the stream, that's also in the bio. But yeah, appreciate you boys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week here on this YouTube channel. Do you live every day? Almost every day. Anyways boys, take care, peace out, W day.